very proud to present you our TR.Pro product line today. After many hours and weeks and months of hard work, we can say that we have finally all our TR.Pro finally ready. It is a compact dispatcher and it is supporting many vendors. We are supporting Kenwood, Moto Turbo, Hytera, Tate, Depura, DAM and ICOM. So with that one you have the possibility to interconnect it to your radio system as you like, and the price is coming for $980 US. And if you have even, let's say you need many different workstations, you can have even a special price from us. Additionally, you can download all the different kind of vendors. Just go to our webpage TR.Pro.TASSTA.com, and then you can find your different brand what you need to use, and you can find all the information. The thing is, on the webpage you can download one dispatcher version already and use it, and for unlimited time, for 5 radios maximum, and try it, and if you like it, you can contact us and purchase it. For making it easier for you to purchase it, we even created a document where you can find all the information what is required, what you need to have from the vendor side and also from our side, that you have basically purchasing guide. When you download your TR.Pro Compact Dispatcher for the radio system which you need to which you like to use basically in your workstation, you have usually the features group communication, individual calls, individual messages, group messages, status messages, GPS and multi-listening, broadcast call, and also recording of all voice on your device. So this is the feature list, depends always which kind of ability basically also the radio system is providing, but this is some part what we can say, okay, if your radio system is offering that kind of gateway, we can give you all the basically all these product features what you can use in your daily operation. Finally, I hope that you enjoy your TR.Pro Compact, and you give us also feedback how we can maybe improve it, how we can do it better, and and we are more than happy if we can, if you could give us the chance, and that we are making your operation better and improve your daily work. Thank you very much.